Hello everyone, I cordially welcome you all to another video from the Python tutorial series, and in this video we are going to discuss what are comparison operators in Python. So without any delay, let's get started. Comparison operators in Python are used to compare two values. They are mostly used in conditional statement for decision making. So if you are from any programming language background, you are already aware about the fact that while coding any application, sometimes we have to make decisions, and depending on those decisions, the output of certain computations may vary. In those cases, comparison operators comes handy. What happens is, in your code, you basically create two branch conditions. If the condition is true, something will happen, and if the condition is false, some other thing will happen. Okay? In those cases, these comparison operators are mostly used. In Python, these are the comparison operators that we have. As you can see on my screen, that double equal to sign is the comparison operator which compares if both the values are equal or not. Thereafter you have not equal to, then you have greater than, then you have less than, then greater than equal to, and finally less than equal to. If you have some basic maths knowledge, you are already aware what these operators do. The first one basically checks if they are equal. The next one checks if they are not equal. The third one checks if the value to the left is greater than the value to its right. The fourth one checks if the value to the left is less than the value to its right. The second last, that is greater than or equal to, checks if a value existing to the left side is greater than or equal to the value to its right side. And finally, less than or equal to checks if a value to its left side is less than or equal to the value to its right side. Okay, we have done enough of theory as of now. Let's go to VS Code and understand by an example. Welcome to VS Code. So here we will basically play with the comparison operators. Here mostly I have taken the 4 examples, that is equal to, not equal to, greater than and less than. Similarly, you can also have conditions like greater than equal to and less than equal to. But I am not proceeding with it because greater than equal to is basically a combination of this greater than and equal to, and less than equal to is basically a combination of this less than and equal to. Okay. So here basically I am proceeding with 4 examples. So we have assigned 15 to this variable A, 10 to this variable B. Thereafter we are checking if the comparison evaluates to true or false. So A is equal to B. So it is not the case, 15 is not equal to 10. So here we will get false. A not equal to B. So yes, 15 is not equal to 10. So here we will get true. Third one, A greater than B. So yes, 15 is greater than 10. So we will get true. The last but not the least, A less than B. So 15 is not less than 10. Here we will get false. Okay. Now let's run the code and see if we are correct. So we will go to this terminal, we will open our terminal and write python 9.py. So as you can see, A is equal to B, it is false because 15 is not equal to 10. A not equal to B, so 15 not equal to 10, this is true. A greater than B, that is 15 greater than 10, that is also true. The last but not the least, A less than B, that is false because 15 is never less than 10. Okay. So I hope by now you are clear with the comparison operators in Python. It is pretty easy if you have some basic programming experience. In case if you are facing any doubt, I will post the link of the document in the description section below. You can go and check it out. And in case of any issue, please let us know. Let's go back to our presentation. I hope you found this video informative. In case you like the video, feel free to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, as we are going to bring more videos in future. For any queries, doubts, suggestions or feedbacks, feel free to post them in the comment section. We are going to reply. So thank you for now. See you in the next video. Bye.